has it that you can cure cancer in cats and dogs using alternative methods.
Correct. I don't like the word cure.
Okay.
Society doesn't like the word cure because it instigates permanent forever. If a patient has gone into the state of cancer, they have a lot of work to do in the rest of their life to stay healthy.
Okay.
Our focus is not so much on the cancer, it's on the well-being, the quality of life, and then the quantity of life of the patient. We'll have animals come to us that are given weeks to months to live because of cancer, and then years later they'll be running around enjoying life, and they still have the cancer, they still have a tumor. So it's the integrative approach that helps the patient put themselves into remission. It's not us, you know. We're not so much the healers. Nature's the healer. We're the guides.
Our bodies can do a lot more than we probably give them credit for.
How do you heal a cut?
You let it heal.
Right.
I don't know.
Right.
You just
what happens if you don't let it heal? What happens if you mentally don't let your cut heal? It's going to heal. So we work with that mechanism within each patient. Remember, each patient is an individual. We will also deal with each patient in our practice differently than that patient.
Right.
And we do a lot of work with blood work because blood is the mirror or the reflection of that patient instead of something we read or something we learned about.
I like how, I mean, it sounds sort of simple, but I like how you call your dogs and your cats patients. Like individuals. I don't know. I mean, you just don't think of that. You just think of it as
And we call our clients guardians instead of owners.
There's another rumor, has it, that you can diagnose a cat or a dog, a patient, without really even, just sort of by looking at them and sort of, is it an aura thing?
Well, no, I mean, you know, after doing this kind of medicine for over 3 decades, you start to develop a sense from experience. We very much believe in the new diagnostic procedures as we focus on the immune system, but knowing if an animal has a neurologic condition, knowing if it's a brain tumor over an infection or an inflammation really helps you when you approach the proper treatment of that. One of the rewarding things that I've seen being in medicine for this long is the new age of technological assessment of the body. It's amazing what
you can find.
Yeah, with MRIs and CAT scans and stuff.
But would you also say that you have sort of a sixth sense?
Kind of. You know, what I call that sixth sense is just experience.
Okay.
Not so much the diagnosis, but you get a feeling of what that patient needs to get better.